10 foods to avoid for fatty liver disease. 1. Trans fats, found in processed and fried foods. Trans fats worsen liver inflammation. 2. Sugary beverages, drinks like sodas overwhelm the liver with fructose, promoting fat buildup. 3. Highly processed foods, they contain unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives detrimental to liver health. 4. Alcohol, even moderate consumption accelerates liver damage and inflammation. 5. Red meat, high in saturated fats. Red meat contributes to liver inflammation and insulin resistance. 6. Highly salted foods, they lead to fluid retention and high blood pressure, harming liver health. 7. White bread and pastries, refined carbs spike blood sugar and promote fat accumulation in the liver. 8. Highly processed grains, lack fiber and nutrients, causing blood sugar spikes and insulin resistance. 9. Fried foods, high in unhealthy fats and harmful compounds, worsening liver inflammation. 10. Artificial sweeteners, disrupt gut health and metabolism, potentially worsening fatty liver disease. Avoiding these foods and opting for whole, nutrient-dense alternatives can support liver health and manage fatty liver disease. Remember, consulting with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice is advisable. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.